First, we need the PNG file we need to work on. Our sample is this one. So you go to Image, Adjustments, then Replace Color. On this panel, we need to make sure to select one of the gray boxes right here. This one will do it. Okay, now we move the lightness to 100. As we can see, it's already done. You can play with the fuzziness to get the best result. Okay, now we simply go to the magic tool, we select, and as you can see, sometimes this part of the image is not selected. You press Shift on your keyboard, then click to select it. Now inside of this rectangular shape, we press it again. So now the whole thing is selected but inverted. So we go to Select and we choose Inverse or Shift Ctrl plus I. Okay, so now the whole thing is not selected, but only our image we need to cut is selected. Now we navigate to the layers and we make a mask of it, and that's it. Our image is done. I'll export it and let's see the final result.